Hey, it's Nikk Legend, and it's the time of the year where people are really thinking about their goals for 2020, and I want to share with you 3 different things I'm going to do this year that have helped me make millions of dollars, and I'm going to share with you the mistakes I made that have cost me tons of money. Now, here's the thing is, what I'm going to share with you in this video, these 3 different tips, they can help you in any area of life. So let's get it started and let's crush 2020. Jay, roll that clip.
I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend.
So I'm gonna share with you 3 things I'm doing in 2020. These 3 things have helped me make millions. They've also cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars. These 3 things can help you in any area of life. Number 1 is eliminating distraction. Number 2 is hyper focus, intense focus. And then number 3 is adding more value to the world, to the people around you. And if you can do these 3 things, you can literally apply these concepts to each area of your life that's important to you in 2020. This is how I'm using those 3 points to make 2020 a huge year. Number 1, I am eliminating distraction. Here's my room.
This is my room. I just have my books, a bed, and that's pretty much it. And my room is not clean. I probably should have cleaned it for this video, but I'll work on that in 2021.
This year, I do not have a TV in my room. I have books and I have a bed to relax, rest, let go of some stress, the essential things that a room should be used for. And number 2 is I do not have snacks in my house. I only have the food that I need and I believe I should eat. And what that does is it really aligns me in a place where I only can eat healthy. So the result is I will only get in better shape and kind of hit my fitness goals, okay? So that same thing applies for social media. I've unfollowed and maybe muted accounts that are distracting to me. And this segues into and correlates directly with number 2, which is hyper focus. Focus is something that it's difficult. We're in 2020. We're seeing thousands of ads every single day. We're getting hit with notifications from 10 different platforms. Focus is going to be the thing that allows you to develop that skill set, maybe progress in an area that's going to actually push you forward. If you are stuck in the same place in life, progressing and actually getting better at something will make it easier. So to do that, you need focus. And I'm basically setting aside every single day a time slot to just focus and really think strategically about something or study an important topic to me. And that leads me into step number 3, which is adding more value to the world, adding more value. We get answers to the questions we asked. A lot of people ask themselves, how can I make more money? A better question is how can I add more value to the world? By default, you will make more money. So this question right here is something that I personally feel good about, and I actually get different ideas when I ask myself that in the morning, hence why I'm doing YouTube. My goal this year is to provide as much value as possible. You could also apply this to health as well. Rather than asking yourself, how can I lose more weight? Ask yourself, how can I be healthier? What can I do to feel more energetic? And if you put your attention on those questions, you're gonna get solutions to those answers versus looking at the negative. It's a little tweak in the way that you look at things, and I've noticed that really successful people do this. These are the 3 different things that I'm doing for myself to help me reach my goals in 2020, and you can apply it to what you're doing as well. Now, this is the perspective that I'm taking in each area of my life. The truth is, I have a lot of goals, and to reach those goals, I have some that are a bit bigger, and I don't exactly know how I'm gonna accomplish them. I really don't, but I plan on studying different topics to eventually make those goals happen. And then I have other goals that are very concrete, and I kind of know how to make it happen. I've done something similar before, and I believe you should do both. And this is what I do on a daily basis to remind me of what I want. As I'll go ahead and write down my 3 short-term goals, my action items, the things that I can knock out for that day. And I'll also think about my longer-term goals that are important to me as well. So I put attention on those every single day for at least a few minutes or so. And here's the thing is, as long as you're reaching and putting energy into getting closer to them, you're gonna be progressing, and that is where happiness stems from. This is Nikk Legend. Be great, and let's make 2020 a huge year.
I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend.